Hey, Clean Impact team, hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for being part of the world's greatest cleaning company, with the world's greatest cleaning team, with people who give a damn about keeping people safe and healthy. We have pride, we have integrity in the things that we are doing. Thank y'all so much for being part of that. Now, being part of the world's greatest cleaning company, you have to be mentally tough. You have to be mentally sharp. You have to be capable and willing to raise yourself above all the rest of the riprap in the cleaning industry. And it starts at home. It starts with your family, with your spouse. What are you doing right now and today and this week to make yourself a better person for your family, for yourself? You have to dig deep and live presently, live right now. Give thanks for all the glorious things that you have, the fresh air, the breath, the smells, the sights, the feelings, the touches, all these things that are happening right now inside of you. Give thanks for those. God is good. God is good. God has provided so much. Dig deep inside yourself and figure out what you want to do to be better. How are you going to show up for your family? How are you going to show up for your spouse? Are you going to be irritated at every little thing that they do? Or are you going to be proud of the fact that you have a chance to serve them? That you have a chance to be a leader and to lead by example? Put forth your best effort at all times. Guys, it's more than just being part of the world's greatest cleaning company. It's about growing yourself spiritually and mentally and physically. It's about becoming a better person today than what you were yesterday. What are you doing right now to make yourself a better person? Guys, we want to grow our team to be the best. And we know that it starts at home. We know that it starts at home. It starts right here first. It starts in your own head and how that radiates out of you onto everything else that you touch. We talk about it all the time, how more is caught than is taught. Let them catch you being remarkable. Let your kids watch you glow and radiate, not pop off whenever something happens, not be losing your mind and freaking out over little things. Let them catch you being humble. Let them catch you. Let them catch you doing great things. Let them catch you being nice to the people in front of you, or opening doors for little old ladies, or saying please and thank you at the cash register. Let them catch you being great. Let them catch you being remarkable, guys. And it starts with us, please. To be the best, you have to be the best here. You have to focus here first. Everything else around you will come into play if you start off positive here. The rest of the day, the rest of the week, the rest of the month, the rest of your year will be positive and filled with good things. Now, everything's not going to be perfect. I get that. As long as you're giving it your best every single day, again, your best baseline moves. If you're having a great day, your best is freaking amazing. Whenever you're not having such a good day, that baseline of your best is a little bit lower, but you're still giving it everything that you have because you care, and you have integrity, and you have pride in what you're doing. This is what differentiates us from everybody else. This is what differentiates Clean Impact team members mentally from everybody else in the game, because we have this collaborative effort to become great, to be the greatest person that we can be, the greatest person that God made us to be, to live up to that potential. Think about it every day where you can improve at. We all need to improve. Every day, every second. We can always get better. I challenge everybody to try that out. I challenge you to continue to be the best because you're with the best. If you need anything along that journey, feel free to reach out to us anytime, guys. I'm so serious about that. We want to grow through this together. We want to grow through all of these disparities and problems and challenges together, because together we're strong. Divided we'll fall. Clean Impact is the greatest. You guys are awesome. You're amazing. You're remarkable. You're humble. That's what makes you different. That's what makes you better than everybody else. Continue to be your best. Let us know if you need anything. Have a good day.